Coursera review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Coursera and seeing if it's truly good as people say it is. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to Coursera.com, and as you can see over here, this is the website, and over here quite a lot of big companies and universities have partnered with Coursera, such as Illinois, Duke, Google, University of Michigan, IBM, Imperial College London, Stanford University, and Penn University of Pennsylvania. So as you can see, it's pretty awesome, and right over here you already have a join for free button over here. So let's go ahead and sign up. So click on the sign up button. And over here, all you have to do is just simply enter in your full name, your email address, and your password, or you can just continue with Google. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. And once you have signed up over here, all you have to do is enter in your work experience, your educations, your university and degrees, so that they can get a better idea of your background. So you can go ahead and enter in your occupation. As you can see, over here, you can enter in whatever you want, a freelancer, a project manager, a web developer, and over here you have your experience level, and then over here you have your employer, IG, companies that you have worked with in the past, or you can go ahead and skip. I'm going to go ahead and skip, and over here, as you can see, so you can tell them about you. So you can currently say that I'm currently a software developer or engineer. That way they'll give you courses based on your information that you give them. So over here, as you can see down below, we have these free courses over here. So we have a free course from Yale, which is Managing Emotions in Time and Uncertainty and Stress by Yale University. And then we have a psychology course, which is free from Toronto University. And then we have a COVID-19 training in healthcare from Stanford. And then we have writing in science from Stanford as well. And as you can see, we have quite a lot of courses which are free. So it's pretty amazing. And another good thing about this is that you can earn your degrees from different levels. So you can get a bachelor's degree, you can get a master's degree in business, in applied arts and science, in applied data science. Like, it's really amazing. And then down below, you have some certificates that you can also get. So you have a UX design master track certificate, you have finance and analyst modeling certificate, AI certificates, data analytics managers, and you have other courses as well. So let's go ahead and see down below. As you can see over here, we can explore other courses from Coursera. So right off the bat, let's go ahead and check out data science courses over here. So as you can see over here, you can either get degrees or courses, which is pretty cool, and they all offer free courses as well. Well, not all courses. Like, as you can see, there are some courses that you have to apply for, but if your money is tight, you can also send them an application and they'll try their best to, lower them. So as you can see over here, we have a Python data structure course from Michigan University. So if I click on this course right here, as you can see over here, we have quite a lot of things going on over here. So as you can see, this is what you will learn. You will learn how to explain principles of data science, create programs, and write data files, and store data keys using Python dictionaries. And you can accomplish multi-step tasks like sorting or looping using tuples. And the skills you will gain will be Python syntax and semantics, data structure, tuple, and Python programming. And over here, this is going to be your instructor, which is Charles Russell Servants. He is a clinical professor at Michigan University. And then down below, these are some of the reviews that people have given using Coursera. So over here, as you can see, this person has said that he has learned to pick up new ideas and quickly apply them to real world problems. Today, my certificates make me stand out from the crowd, which is pretty good. And then if you scroll down below, this is going to be your syllabus for the whole semester. And over here for the first week, which is going to be a 4 hours course. And over here, you're going to be learning chapter 6, which is called strings. And then for week 3, it is also a 3-hour course. As you can see, it's pretty amazing. It's pretty simple, and it keeps going on until you are completed your course. And over here, as you can see, the reviews are pretty amazing. So 5-star reviews, a total 4.9 rating. Over 1,500 people have reviewed this course, which is pretty amazing. That just shows you how good it is. And then right down below, you can enroll for free starting October 28th. So over here, for 7-day free trial, you'll get this course plus and full specialization, shareable certificates, self-paced learning options, course videos, practice quizzes, graded assignments with peer feedback, graded quizzes with feedback, graded programming assignments, and it's pretty amazing. And it is also shareable on LinkedIn as well. For example, this is the certificate you will get. So this will be the example over here, and you down below you will have your name, and you can share this course certificate in the certification sections of your LinkedIn profile, or printed resumes, CVs, or other documents, as I said before. And as you can see over here, over 795,000 people have already enrolled, and you can audit this course for free. When you audit a course, this is a pretty amazing. This is what I was about to tell you guys. They have this feature called audit, and from that you can basically apply for free on any course, even if it's not free. If it's a paid course or a master's degree or bachelor's, you can enroll in that course for completely free through this audit. So when you audit a course, you can access the course material without graded assignments or the ability to earn a certificate. That is the drawbacks. So what that basically means is that you can enroll for free, you can complete the course, meaning you can get the entire syllabus and you will basically be a master in that course, but you won't have a certificate to prove it. For just that certificate, you will have to pay, which I think is fair in a way. But you know, if they're giving you a free course, then of course they're not going to provide you with a certificate. If you want the certificate, then you obviously have to pay for the course. Now that you've known about the syllabus, now let's go ahead and check out some other things that I wanted to show you about. And this is the thing that I wanted to show you, the guided projects. Now these are going to be projects. Now they're basically projects, but I don't call them projects because they are basically interactive courses that you can download them, and then you can run the program on a virtual machine that they provide, and then you can mess around with it. You can play with all the courses that you have. So if you're learning programming, then you will be able to download the application and you can access a virtual computer at Coursera headquarters, and then you will basically be able to play around with all the programming, even if your computer doesn't handle that. That's the thing about virtual computers. You can access them anywhere you want, which I think is a pretty cool thing. So let's go ahead and take a look. So over here, as you can see over here, your workspace is a cloud desktop right in your browser. As I said before, no download is required. And in a split screen video, your instructor guides you step by step, which I think is pretty amazing. And down below, this is going to be our instructor if we choose this course. Her name is Barsha Saha, who is a PhD scholar and game theorist. And over here, she has over 7,000 learners and she provides 5 courses. And then you can go ahead and start your guided project by just simply clicking on the start guided project. And over here, as you can see, you will have to pay $10 USD for this course, which I think is fair. It's not too expensive. You don't even have to use your computer. They will basically provide you with everything. And as I said, it's pretty amazing. It's really mind-blowing that you can get your university degrees from one of the top universities in the world right at your home. And I think that's amazing. Now that we know that it's pretty good, now let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing section. So for the pricing sections, you will have to get Coursera Business. So for the pricing sections over here, as you can see, for the teams, you will have $399 per users per year. So for $400 a year, you can learn any program that you want. You can learn any course that you want, which I think is pretty amazing. You have 2 plans. You have the team and you have the enterprise. For the enterprise, this is for a larger organizations. Of course, they're going to have to contact sales for that. But for the user ones, for the team ones, for the smaller projects, I think $400 is worth it. And over here, you will get access to over 4,000 courses from top universities and access to guided project assessments and quizzes, verified certificates upon your course completion, as I said before, which I think is pretty amazing. And over here, you get quite a lot of things and quite a lot of pros and cons. So you can start your Coursera program anytime you want. Now, as I said before, if money is tight, then of course you can always go to the audit option as well. As I said before, it's pretty amazing. Like a couple of my friends have also used it and they also have benefited from the Coursera. And as I said before, people all around the world have been using Coursera and earning degrees and skills that they never thought they could achieve in just a matter of months. And they're not even smaller degrees, like we're talking about master's degrees and bachelor's degrees. In my opinion, I think yes, Coursera is worth it and people should definitely try it out. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.